Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a glow aura effect on a Viva Video apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Viva Video apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the all effect at the bottom. Click on it, and after this you can click on the border, and in here you can swipe until you can see glow aura effect. This is the glow aura effect. You can click on it, and in here you can choose the glow aura effect that you want. In here you can see the glow aura effect 1 until 6. You can choose the one, but in here I wanna try to add 1. This is the glow aura effect 1. This is the glow aura effect 2. This is a 3. This is a 4. This is a 5. And then this is a 6. In here I wanna choose a 4, so you just in here I wanna choose a 5, so you just click on the 5 and then click on done and finish. So that's how to add a glow aura effect on a Viva Video apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.